सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ दिक्कालाद्यनवच्चिन्न அதில் இல்லை, யூ கேன் ஸ்டார்ட். दिक्कालाद्यनवच्चिन्न अनन्तचिन्मात्रमूर्तये स्वानुभूत्येकमानाय नमः शान्ताय तेजसे. This prayer done by Bhartrihari in this Niti Shatakam is offering pranams to that Brahman. Very unique prayer, not a prayer to Saguna Ishvara, but is for Nirguna Ishvara, who is Dik Kala Anavachinnaha. Dik means directions, Kala means time, Anavachinnaha means who is not having any division. Avachinna means khandam, division. Anavachinna means divisionless. The Anavachinnaha, the one who is beyond time, one who is beyond space, one who is free from divisions. Anavachinnaha, who is he? Ananta Chinmatra Murtaye. Ananta means eternal. Na antam yasya na vidyate. Antam is not there. There is no end for that Brahman. Ananta Chinmatra Murti. Chinmatra Murti means here that consciousness, Brahman. Chinmatra Murtaye. Chit means here Jnanam. That Jnana Murtaye, who is the form of embodiment of Jnanam, Jnana Swarupam. That Brahman is Jnana Swarupam, that Nirguna Brahman, Nirguna Ishvara. That Brahman one can know by Swanubhutyeka. Ekamanaya. Mana means here Pramana. Only one Pramana. That Pramana is Swanubhuti, Swayam Anubhava. Swanubhut Ekamanaya Namah Shantaya Tejase. Namaha, my namaskars, pranams. Swanubhuti ante Swa Anubhavam, Swanta Anubhavam. Swanubhuti, Swa Anubhuti. Swa means my own, self experience. Anubhuti means experiencing. Ekamanaya, that is the only pramana. You have to experience the Brahman. If you have hunger, you have to eat. On behalf of you, no one can eat. If you are having thirsty, you have to drink water. No one can quench your thirst. Similarly, I desire to know Brahman. I have to experience that. On behalf of me, I will send my wife to the class. On behalf of me, I will send my husband to the class. இதெல்லாம் மோட்சம் அப்படியெல்லாம் வராது. So, Swanubhut Ekamanaya Namaha, to him my namaskars. What is nature? Shantaya, who is calm. Brahma Swarupam is Shanta Swarupam is Brahma Swarupam. So why we are not having Shanta? We have become Abrahman. We have forgotten our Brahman nature. That's why Ashanta Swarupam item ellarume. So Tiruppu nama Shanta Swarupam ponumanna, we have to own up nammuடைய Brahma Swarupam. Shantaya Tejase. What Tejas? Brightness. Jnanam represents brightness. Brahman represents brightness. Tejas means Kanti, Prakasha. What is Prakasham? Here not this lights prakasha. In the form of awareness, tejas. In the form of awareness, this in the eyes, in the sound form, in the touch form, in the taste form, in all forms, the awarer is called tejas. So such Brahman, I offer my namaskars. Imagine now, Bhartrihari is a jnani, wise person. Therefore, he offered namaskars in this form. Now we'll read yesterday's that sloka. Shrotram shrutenaiva na kundalena. Shrotram shrutenaiva na kundalena. Danena panirnatu kankanena. Vibhati kaya karuna paranam. Paropakarena na chandanena. Here, Bhartrihari talking about Dharma Shastra, Niti Shastra. For a common person, for a common man, here not talking about Jnani. Jnani is not there in this picture at all. He is an ordinary person who is full of virtues, Sajjanaha, Satjanaha, noble qualities, endowed with noble qualities. Such a person he is addressing. What he said, the real ears, Shrotram, the real ears, our ears are really beautiful not by wearing these earrings or ear studs, anything, any abharanam, but by listening to Shastra. By listening which it will take me to the Shreyo Marga. That is important. That is more important. By listening which we can move towards the spiritual marga. That is here said. Danena panirnatu kankanena. Generally people think by bangles only the beauty comes to the hands. Bhartrihari says that is not right. Only by giving danam, charity, the more you give, really your hand looks so beautiful. Why? Everybody looks at your hand. When you do charity, people know, oh, this person does more charity. Not by to see your bangles. If you are giving more and giving, they know that your hand is a giving hand, they look at your hand. Why they look at your hand? Because they know the greatness of that hand. That hand is not an ordinary hand, always giving, giving, giving. So, danena vibhati kayaha paropakarena. By helping others, para upakarena, the whole body shines. Vibhati, real beauty comes to the body, not by sandal perfume. Chandanena kayaha karuna paranam. These are the traits of karuna, means here compassion. These people, paropakarena, by helping others, their whole body soaked out of compassion, not soaked by chandanam. It is soaked by compassion, karuna. That's why they are ready to help to the people. Karuna parana. To help others, you require karuna. The compassion is required. The more you have karuna, the karuna hridayam. The karuna hridayam is very, very important. If it is naturally, basically you have, you are fortunate. If you do not have that karuna hridayam, you have to cultivate. You have to cultivate. That is why all these virtues are the steps for this Atma Jnana. Next sloka we'll see, the next page, the second one. We will read. Trishnam chindi bhaja kshamam jahimadam पापेरतिं मा कृथाः सत्यं ब्रूहि नुयाहि साधु पदवीं सेवस्व विद्वज्जनम् मान्यान् मानय विद्विषोऽप्यनुनय प्रख्यापय प्रश्रयम् कीर्तिं पालय दुःखिते कुरुदयाम् एतत् सतां चेष्टितम्. Another beautiful verse. Bhartrihari says, Trishnam chindi, may you cut your desires. Chid means to cut. What you should cut? Desires. Trishna, desire. May you cut your desires. Here we have to understand, desires means illegitimate desires. Legitimate desires, Shastra accepts. So illegitimate desires, Trishnam chindi. So these virtues makes the person slowly a cultured person. So that cultured person, if you want to become a cultured person, Trishnam chindi. First you give up, cut all these illegitimate desires. So your legitimate desires vechukko. That is good. No problem. The second one, bhajak shamam. Here you have to supply for everything. Tvam Trishnam chindi. Hey Manushya, he is addressing. Hey Manushya, oh human being. He is telling. Tvam means you have to supply. Tvam is not there, you have to supply. Tvam means you develop. You cut the desires. Bhajak Shama means you develop patience. Bhaja means here not bhajanam. Bhaja means develop. What you have to develop? Kshama. Kshama means titiksha, patience, porumai. Kshama, no. Kshama, patience. Kshamam, patience. Bhaja, develop the patience, titiksha. This is the second one. Then next one, Jahi madam. Jahi means give up. Ha dhatu. Ha means to give up. Jahi. Tvam jahi. You give up. Destroy your arrogance. Madam. Madam means arrogance. Titiksha here is one type of forgiveness only. Patience, when you can forgive, when you have patience only you can forgive. So having titiksha itself is forgiving others and others. So here some more elaboration you require. Trishnam chindi here, the too many desires always divert the mind of the person from the spiritual life. Therefore, a person who wants to get moksha, that person should have a limited desires, that too legitimate desires. The too many desires will disturb the whole life. And they are all obstacles also. You know, that mind is not a relaxed mind. It gets disturbed. So, similarly, bhajak shamam. Sometimes people create problems. So you have to develop patience. I am always so calm, patience nalla irukken, titiksha jaasti irukken solluva. But When the situations comes, they lose their balance. எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கும்போது I am also நல்லா இருப்பேன். Things go wrong, அப்போதான் அவர் ஸ்வபாவமே வெளியில் வந்துடும், நிஜமான ஸ்வபாவம். So here Bhartrihari wants, even anybody provokes you, disturbs you, better not to react. Respond, but don't react. Respond is different, reaction is different. Action we can do. Take an action, but not reaction. Often we react instead of acting. And the reaction, all things will get disturbed. So, irritation. Jehi madam. Madam means here pride, arrogance comes because of the youth. உடம்புல சக்தி இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் நான் தான். The person thinks when the youth is there, he never care for anybody. I am the ruler, like that they behave. They never care for anybody because of the strength in the body. That is called madam, arrogance. The arrogance comes because of so many reasons. One is physical strength, physical beauty, physical charmness, physical attraction that creates arrogance. Another arrogance because of richness, lot of money. Tatala property ella vandhude, lot of money, ekkachakama. So arrogance comes. The money is another cause for. Another cause for this arrogance is படிப்பு. நல்லா படிச்சிட்டோன்னா arrogance. There are a lot of possibilities. These are the possibilities. That is, doesn't mean all people who are all qualified, they get pride. அது கிடையாது, arrogance இருக்காது. Possibilities, 99% possibility is there. If it is not there, that is a great thing. But here, generally, this that's why Shankaracharya says in Bhajagovindam, Makuru dhana jana yavvana garvam. Garvam edinala vardanna? Dhanam yavvanam. Dhanam janam yavvanam. Janamana parivaram. See, my big family, all are my people. Adella pathi garvam. So, jehi madam. You destroy your arrogance. Pape ratim ma krudha. Don't have any preeti. Ratim means here preeti. Pape means prohibited actions. Nishiddha karmathila ஈடுபாடு இருக்கக்கூடாது. அதுதான் நிஷித்த கர்மத்தில். ரத்தி என்னென்ன? லவ் டுவர்ட்ஸ் தட், ஸ்மோக்கிங், ட்ரிங்கிங், ஆல் illicit, all wrong habits developing, papam, all are papa krityam. Whatever prohibited in Shastra, if a person performs that action, it comes under papam. Dhumapanam na kuryat, Shastra says, don't smoke. No, I will smoke. Yes, papam comes. Shastra said, don't smoke. Dhumapanam na kuryat. If you want to smoke, because it's not good for your sake, only Shastra telling. So if you smoke, what happens? Papam takes place. Now you are destroying your health. Not only that, you are destroying others' health also. Pollution, air pollution. Surapanam na pibet, Shastra says. Now you see in the bars how wine shops are increasing more and more. Papam. That is what called papa karma. Preeti, lot of preeti towards that papa karma. Bhartrihari says, don't have that preeti towards that papa karma. Ma krudha. Don't have such type of habits. Therefore, before anything becoming a habit, be careful. Once it becomes a habit, it is very difficult to come out of that habit. That's why generally we say, that's a chinna habit. Habit, very simply they take. Habit. So powerful. Habit is so powerful. And you become slave to that habit. Even though it is papa karma, and you become slave to that, and because of that, you will destroy your family, whole society. You see this alcohol, and family get destroyed, society, the whole society, how much the chaos in the society just because of alcohol, smoking, so many things like this. So this papa karma very, very, we have to be very careful. Adla eed pove kudadu and pakame. That's why Swamiji says habit. If you remove H, what remains? A bit remains. If you remove A, bit remains. If you remove B, it remains. What is that it? Habit remains. Habit remains. That is so powerful. Pona madri irukkum, and this person is suppressing. One day it again burst out. Again he starts. This is alcoholic. All people know. Anonymous people in Madras. You see how much. I have seen many families. Really, such suffering because of these people. So Bhartrihari wants those people. Satyam bruhi. Next line. May you speak truth. Satyam bruhi. Simple potrikar paranga. Ella values, all values. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat, nabruyat, satyam apriyam. Manusmriti says. Speak truth. Bruhi enne chollu. Bruhi. What you have to speak? Satyam. Why? This Satyam is different from that Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Brahman is also Satyam. This is also Satyam. That truth Brahman is capital T. This truth is small t. The small t truth leads to capital T truth. That is the reason Mundaka Upanishad says, Satyam eva jayate na anritam. Satya only triumphs. What it means? Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, that Satyam is absolute Satyam. Paramasatyam, that Paramasatyam, if you want to attain, first you have to practice a relative Satyam. In the relative Satyam, Vyavaharika Satyam this is. So Vyavaharika Satyam, Poi sollade and Chulurka. Poi sollade, always I need not speak truth. Poi solladena, Anritam Pesadena. Don't say na Anritam. Ritam, we have to speak truth. Be better, be silent. So therefore, Satyam Bruhi here means a relative truth he is talking. So this relative truth, Vyavaharika Satyam, speaking truth always helps the person to understand that absolute truth. That is the secret here. Therefore, in Upanishads also, that absolute truth has mentioned that comes alone by practice of this Satyam. Next one. Anuyahi sadhu padavi. Sadhu padavi means here you have to move with the sadhus. Sadhu padavi means the people who are all sadhus. Sadhu padavim anuyahi, lead a noble life. Sadhu padavi means once you move with that sadhu people only you can lead a noble life. So sadhu life anna theriyamale you cannot go to that. Sadhu padavim anuyahi, lead. Anuyahi means lead a noble life. Sevasva vidvajjanam. Sevasva, you serve the vidvat janam. Janam means people. Vidvat means intellectuals. May you serve the intellectuals who are all intelligents. What is here intelligence? Nitya nitya vastu vivekam. Yarikirikamo, that's the intelligence here. Not that intelligence. All unrighteous people, those who are going in the wrong way also, they are also having lot of intelligence. Here intellectuals means those who are having vicharana, viveka, discriminative people. They are called intellectuals here. Intellectuals, those who are having viveka, discriminative capacity. What is right, what is wrong, what to do, what not to do. Edi pannano, edi pannakodadu. Idella discrimination irukum. They are called intellectuals. Then manyan manaya. Manyan means the people who are deserved for worship. Manyan, who are deserved for worship. Puja arhata, yarku irukamo. You have to worship those people. They deserve for your worship. Your elders, father, mother, guru, ancestors, they deserve your worship. Swamis, Swamijis, Swaminis, Acharyas, Mahatmas, they deserve worship. So you have to worship. If you don't worship, what happens also? Another place it says, Manaya means respect them, worship them. Suppose if I don't respect them, those who are deserved for worship, I don't respect them, what happens? Another sloka says, Apujyayatra pujyante pujyanam cha vetikramam tatra trini vartante maranam durbhiksham bhayam. Apujyayatra pujyante. Apujyahana pujya, those who are not deserved for worship. Apujyaha. Pujya pandratku avarku arhate kadiyadu. Apujyaha yatra pujyante. Wherever the people are worshipped, really those who are not deserved for worship. Puriyada? Apujyaha yatra pujyante. Who is not deserved for worship, if anybody worship that people, and not only that, pujanam cha vetikramam. Puja panna vendi avanukku puja pannamale irukkirathu. Vetikramam, the person who is really deserved and you are not respecting that person. That who is really is not deserved and you are respecting and worshipping. இதுதான் நடக்கிறது இப்போ சமாஜம்ல. தத்ர த்ரீணி வர்த்தன்டே. இதுதான் நடக்கிறது, எனக்கு புரிஞ்சுதா? சமாஜம்ல who is not deserved for worship, people are worshipping. Those who are deserved for worship, they are not worshipped. What is happening there? What happens there? Maranam. All the death takes place. Kolai. No? Maranam, Durbhiksham, drought. Famine comes there. No rain, no grains, no nothing to eat. Or earthquake smash. Earthquake varo, smash all people. Either floods comes, smash. Either heavy, this summer breeze comes, that people out. Maranam, Durbhiksham, Bhayam, everywhere fear. Mood theriyarda ipo? Mood irukka illaya? In full percent it is going on. What is the reason, you know? This is the reason. Who said? All our Mahatmas already said that. Puja pannadavanu puja panna koodadu. You have to punish that person. And yarukku puja nadakka vendi irukko, yavarnu pannanumo avanu puja pannanum. Adi pannala, idu pannitavanna idella nadakkum. That's why manyan manayan. So respect. Not for your sake alone. If you respect those people, if you take care of those people, their shelter, their food, and those who are really deserve for worship, such people, Bhagavan bless this person, and their blessings comes to the society, and the whole country, the whole world will be prosperous. Prosperity. In time, rains comes, everything, no water problem. And after 2 days, everybody thinking about water. Again, Madras, if I go, water problem. Food problem, so many problems comes. Manyan, manaya. Vidvisho api anunaya. Vidvishaha means these are enemies. Shatravaha. Whom don't you like? Really, they are creating problems. Our enemies. As though enemies, real enemies in the sense, really speaking, mother-in-law also enemy. Mother-in-law enemy in the sense, the daughter-in-law is afraid of mother-in-law. Mother-in-law is afraid of daughter-in-law. Edinala enna? Ajnanam. Enna pandrathu? So, here, Vidvishaha, even though such people are there who are creating problems, enemy-like people, api anunaya, even you have to express your love and affection to them. மற்றதெல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம், இது மட்டும்தான் கஷ்டமா இருக்காது. கஷ்டம்தான். யாரு சொன்னா சுலபம்? We have never said it is all these are easy. Very, very difficult. Don't have any hatred in your mind towards them. Don't have any hatred. You can avoid those people. Then they are creating problem. You can avoid them physically, some extent. Or in the room, even in the room, you can go some other place, if possible. If not possible, adjust. But I should not have any hatred in my heart. Dvesham irukkakoodadu. Adha Anunaya. Prakhyapaya prashrayam. Prakhyapaya means express. Prakhyapana means express. Express your humility. What you have to express? Humility you have to express. Towards whom? You have to express humility towards gurus. Prashraya means gurus, all teachers. Next, last line. Kirtim palaya. Kirtim na fame. Nalla per sampadichi adu nalla paadagappa vechukano. Idu pogudadu. That's why Krishna Paramatma says sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate. Arjuna, if your fame, name and fame goes, it is better to die. So you have to maintain that kirti. Kirtim palaya. You have to maintain that kirti. Kirti in the sense here, nalla per. Good name you have got. You are a good person, noble person. I have to maintain that throughout my life. இவ்வளோ பெரிய நிறைய பால் இருக்குது, அதில் ஒரு டாட் இந்த ட்ராப் ஆஃப் பாய்சன் போட்டால் ஓவர். தட்ஸ் வை இன் ஹோல் லைஃப் திஸ் வில் be destroyed. That's why I have to be very carefully. We have to maintain throughout life. It's like walking on the razor's edge, I said. It's not easy. நல்ல வழியில் போகிறது கஷ்டம், கெட்ட வழியில் போகிறது ஈஸி. The water flows downwards. It's nature. Mind also full of vasanas, all weaknesses. You can get easily into bad habits, but come out of bad habits and develop the good habits and the good noble life. It is tough. It is very tough, but not impossible. We never say it is impossible. If it is impossible, how Shastra can talk? It is possible, but it is tough. Then, dukkhitaye kuru daya. Kuru daya means show your compassion towards those people who are suffering. That's why Kirti they say Achandra Tarakam. Even you be ready to leave pranam. Pranam api tyajatu. But this Kirti is Achandra Tarakam. If Kirti is there, it is like as long as the sun and the moon are there, your Kirti will continue. Even your body goes. For the Kirti's sake, you be ready to leave your pranas. Our Shastra says. Here, who are all suffering, who are all in distress, sorrow, daya kuru, show your karuna, compassion towards them. Counseling, psychologist, psychiatrist, not psychologist, psychiatrist. 300, 400 demand panni, and they take money and they show compassion. Ayyo pavan. அது மாதிரி அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது. தயாகுரு மீன்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் யூ சே ஐயோ பாப்பம் இப்படி இருக்கான்னு சொன்னால் போதும். யூ நீட் நாட் டூ எனிதிங். அதுக்கே நமக்கு டைம் இல்லையே. People are in distress. When they want to share their views and thoughts, we are not ready to listen. We have no time, busy. Same thing comes to us also. When we are in distress, when we have a problem, we search for somebody. They are also busy. That's why people are losing the trust each other nowadays. Human being, human relation is that you have to share your emotion. Once you share your dukkha, it is half the burden will be go away. You need not do anything, just listen to them. Aha, apdiya, ayyo, paap. And sonna podum. Over, their problem is solved. Someone they want to listen, that's all. But nobody is available to listen. What they do, they start talking themselves. They'll talk with themselves. அந்த மாதிரி வழிக்கு வருது இப்போ. That is why joint families those days, people are there to express, they used to talk to others. So that is very important. That is a great service. If you are able to do that service, can do, that is very, very good service. People really full of distress, somebody they require to share their thoughts. ஒன்றும் இருக்காது அதில், சும்மா they want to share. So dukhe kurudaya etat satam cheshtitam. Etat means all these are, sata means the noble peoples, cheshtitam means the traits. Cheshtitam means the traits, traits, traits of satam means sajjananam, cheshtitam means vyaparaha. It is their common for them. It is very natural for these noble people. Sajjanaha, it is very common. What are the common? Again you have to read the sloka, then only you will get. So all this whatever we have said in the sloka above sloka, all 3 lines and 3.5 lines, these are all there. Vyaparaha means their habit, their nature, their swabhava, all these things. ஸோ எனக்கு இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு பார்த்துக்கணும். இப்போ அதுதான் மெயின் திங். எல்லாருமே ஒருத்தர் உட்கார்ந்து என்னென்ன இருக்கா இதில் என்னென்ன இல்லை, அது ஹேவ் டு, இஃப் தே ஆர் தேர் ஓகே புட் டிக் மார்க், இஃப் இட் இஸ் நாட் தேர் ஐ ஹாவ் டு டெவலப், கண்டினியூ. வில் சி த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா, நெக்ஸ்ட் பேஜ், ஃபஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. Aishwaryasya, that is the sloka. We'll read. Aishwaryasya vibhushanam srujanataam shauryasya vaksamyamah gnanasyopashamashrutasya vinayah वित्तस्य पात्रे व्ययः अक्रोधस्तपसः क्षमा प्रभवितु धर्मस्य निर्व्याजता सर्वेषामपि सर्वकारणमिदम् शीलं परं भूषणम्. Here Bhartrihari giving the pair of virtues, complementary pair of virtues which should go hand in hand. இது இருந்தா இது இருக்கிற மாதிரி, hand in hand. Nice verse. We'll see. Aishwaryasya vibhushanam srujanata. Aishwaryam means richness, prosperity. Here richness means not only money, prosperity in all, the money, education, everything. Ishwarasya bhavaha aishwaryam. Vibhushanam means complementary. What is that? If you are having a lot of prosperity, aishwarya enna artham? Srijanata. அதுக்கு srijanata இருக்கா? Srijanata means here simplicity. Real aishwaryam இருந்ததுன்னா simplicity இருக்கணும், modesty, simplicity. அது real aishwaryasya vibhushanam. The more you have, the more you are simple. Empty vessels make more noise. The full vessel never make noise. That's why real Aishwaryam, whoever have got that Aishwaryam means not only richness, that richness with full of good conduct, sadacharaha. Person is having a righteous way of life and having this Aishwaryam also. That is called real Vibhushanam Srujanata, simplicity. அந்த ஐஸ்வர்யம் இருக்கனே தெரியாது. He never bother about that. Simplicity. Similarly, Shauryasya Vak Samyamaha. Shauryam means here bravery. Bravery should go by restraint of speech. When you have bravery, courage, brave person, I am so brave. No, you should not talk whatever you like. You should have control on your tongue. You should have control on your tongue. Here bravery means you can take power also. Another point I have to say, the simplicity means here, the previous one, kind-hearted one also. Kind-heartedness or capacity to mingle with any level of people. That is called Srijanata. No, Srijanata, I am telling. Srijanata, another explanation I am giving. Saujanyam, Saulabhyam, or capacity to mingle with any level of person. That is called really Aishwaryam. When I have Aishwaryam, I have to mix with anybody. Yeah, I am this level, how can I talk with that person? I mean, appadi irukka kodadu. That's why in our Puranas, they say, it gives lot of examples. How Rama moved with Shavari and Guha and that Jatayu. Rama never thought he is greatest, Avatara Purusha, they are all very small creatures like that, he never thought. But he gave same respect to all of them. That's called simplicity. That is called kind-heartedness, Srijanata. So, and another example, Krishna also, how he showed like love and affection towards Kuchela. Even though he is a very poor person, so நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், கிருஷ்ணர் முறுக்கு சீடை பண்ணுவோம். கிருஷ்ணர் பண்ணது அது ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம். முறுக்கு சீடை பண்ணி சாப்பிடுவோம், அவ்வளோதான். அப்புறம் குச்சேலர் வந்தப்போ கிருஷ்ணர் என்ன பண்ணார், நம்ம இப்போ கெஸ்ட் வந்தோன்னா உட்காரு, நான் டிவி பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பேன். உட்கார், போயிட்டு வராளா, போயிட்டு வாங்க, அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம். இதுதான் அவர் ஃபேஸ் கூட பார்க்க மாட்டோம். என்ன இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் சீரியல் அது போயிட்டு நம்மளை திருப்பி நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் வரைக்கும் வராது. இதுதான் நம்ம சிம்பிளிசிட்டி, Srijanata. That's why to go enter into any house na கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. That people also don't want us first. யார் வராமல் இருந்தால் நல்லது, என்ன டிவி ப்ரோக்ராம் இருக்கேன்னு. தட்ஸ் இடியட் பாக்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவார் சுவாமிஜி. அந்த பாக்ஸ் என்னம்மா பண்ணுறது, வீட்டில் சம்ஸ்காரமே இல்லாமலே படுத்துப்போம். Especially in children, teenage people. So therefore, that Srijanata is very important. How to talk with the person, how to respond to the other person, another very difficult. We have to develop, cultivate it in children. So therefore, another virtue, Sauryasya Vak Samyamaha. Sir, I have a courageous person, brave person, அப்படி இப்படி வாய்க்கு வந்ததெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. நல்ல பவர் இருக்கு எனக்கு கையில். So you should not talk like that. You have to, Samyamaha means you should have a control on your talk. Before you are using any word, you have to think many times. அது நிறைய யோசிச்சு தான் பேசணும். சம்யமம் இருக்கணும், கண்ட்ரோல் இருக்கணும். அது இப்போ யூ ஹாவ் சௌரியம் மீன்ஸ் இது இருக்கணும், இல்லைன்னா அந்த சௌரியத்துக்கு வேல்யூவே கிடையாது. யூ ஹாவ் டு கோ ஹேண்ட் இன் ஹேண்ட். தென் ஞானஸ்ய உபசமஹ. ஞானம் மீன்ஸ் ஹியர் நாலேஜ். உபசமஹ மீன்ஸ் குவைட்டிட்யூட், குவைட்டாக இருக்கிறது. நல்லா தெரியும், குவைட்டாக இரு, ரொம்ப பேசாதே. So really if you have ஞானம், knowledge, you never talk. What Swami, you are talking no so much. I'll talk in the class, not other timings. Talk in the sense, the teaching I have to do, no? So gnanasya upashamaha means quietude, means here not only silence, inner tranquility. That is important. Inner tranquility, balance, upashamaha, quietude. Then Shrutasya Vinayaha. Shrutasya means the scholarship. If you have a scholarship, well educated, well informed in any subject, scholarship is there. And a doctorate ella vandadu. ஏதோ ஃபிலாசபியில் இருக்கணும், எனி சப்ஜெக்ட் ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் இருந்தால் சப்போஸ் வினயம் இருக்கணும். அது ஷுட் கோ ஹேண்ட் இன் ஹேண்ட். It should go hand in hand. If vinayam is there, vidya dadati vinayam. That is very important. Real vidya has to give vinayam, humility first for you. Adakkam varanum. Adakkam illamale naan da pass anna gold medalist na. Eyes are top of the head. Enna prayojanam? So and the vidya ke Saraswati Devi ke it is an insult for Vidya Devi. So therefore, if you are well scholarly person, the vinaya should be there. This should go hand in hand. Vittasya patre vyayaha. Vittasya means of money, richness. When you have a lot of money, it should go hand in hand with expenditure. Vyayaha means expenditure. Patre means here not vessel. For a deserving person, your vittam, the money, whatever you have, it should go to a deserved person. Apatra danam pannakodadu. Patra therinji danam pannanum. Patre vyayaha. So then your richness have some meaning. Adu nalladhukku danam pannitana, adu meaningful. Anything, not only money, whatever you give for others, that really is a purpose is served. Then akrodhasya tapasaha. Krodha ka opposite. Akrodha means krodha rahitatvam. So if you have krodha, suppose the anger management, first manage your anger. Anger management. How to manage your anger? First postpone your anger and then analyze, think and forgive. If you have krodha on somebody, first think why I am getting anger on this person. Otherwise, don't shout at that person, don't show your anger, wait some time. And thirdly, just forgive the person. Error is human, forgive that person, so that you can become an akrodha. This is called tapas. Tapas means like a vratam, fasting, jagaranam pandrathu, doing lot of vratams. For what sake? To be free from anger. Akrodha tapasaha. Then kshama prabhavituhu. Prabhavituhu means the one who is samartha, capable. Samartha, that person should have kshama, forgiveness. Really, where there is full power, that abuse will take place. There is full power without check. So there is, you need a check on that power. Any power. Either political, even husband have power on his wife. And whatever I like vegetable, that only you have to cook. Whatever she likes, adu theriyad. Avarku enna pidikumo adudha samayal pannanum. Adudha power. So on that power you should have a check. Illanna they will exploit. Any person, any master, any boss, any ruler, any person will exploit that power. So there should be a check on that. That's why opposition party nalla strong ah irukano. இல்லைன்னா பவர் ரூலிங் பார்ட்டி அப்யூஸ் தேர் பவர். அது மாதிரி வீட்டில் கூட எப்போவுமே we have to ask that other person, what is your opinion? Do you like this? What is your opinion? We have to ask. It is, we should not take it as granted. Even children, wife, and that rejection go on bloating inside. If you, as though they are listening, okay appa anu சொல்லுவாங்க. மனசுக்கு உள்ள ஒரே பாயிலிங் அண்ட் இன்சைட். One day they say goodbye, go on. அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாமே எதுக்கு? ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லேருந்தே, do you like this? Shall we do this? We have to consult. அதுதான் பவர். பிரபவித்துகன்னு நான் சமர்த்தா, I am very capable. At the same time I should have ksama gunam also. That forgiveness, asking concern towards others. This is very important. And because of that power, adhikara spoils the person. And adhikara irukkumbodhu naan, if I maintain mine, that adhikara in right way, that adhikara is a bhushanam. So vibhushanam you have to supply for everything. Prabhavituhu vibhushanam, nikku kshama. For everything you have to apply. This is an ornament. Kshama is an ornament for a capable person. Forgiveness is an ornament. I have power, I can punish you, but I don't punish you. See what is the difference? I can punish you, I am capable, I can do, but I don't punish. Why? It's my nature. appadi irukkanum. Therefore, prabhavituhu dharmasya nirvyajata. Dharmasya means doing all good actions. Dharmasya means sadachara palanam. Sadachara means all type of good actions, whatever you follow, either rituals, all sadachara, following religious life, doing lot of service to the family, to the society. Dharmasya nirvyajata, never publicize. Dharmasya nirvyajata bhushanam, vibhushanam. And the vibhushanam முதல் லைன்ல இருக்கு, அது எல்லாத்துக்குமே அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கணும். Here nirvyajata means absence of hypocrisy. Publicity, proclamation, declare பண்ணுறது. நான் பண்ணிட்டேன் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நிர்வியாஜதா, அப்போ தான் அதுக்கு பியூட்டி. For what? For dharmasya. Whatever you have done, that good karma, sat karma, sadachara, if you are not having any desire for publicity, because அப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். அதுக்காக எதுக்கு பப்ளிசிட்டி? இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். இதுதான் நேச்சர், இதுதான் நேச்சுரல். அது ஏதோ நல்ல காரியம் நான் பண்ணிட்டேன், நல்ல காரியம் தான் பண்ணணும் இல்லையோ. இப்படி என்னாச்சு நிலைமை பாருங்க. நல்ல காரியம் தான் பண்ணணும் நேச்சுரலா. என்ன எல்லாரும் அக்கிரமம் பண்றான், அதனால நான் ஒரு நல்ல காரியம் பண்ண அதுக்கு பப்ளிசிட்டி பண்ண வேண்டியதாச்சு. இப்போ அந்த மாதிரி நிலைமைக்கு வந்துட்டோம் நம்ம, ரொம்ப கேவலமான நிலைமைக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், சர்வேஷாமபி சர்வ காரணமிதம் ஷீலம் பரம் பூஷணம். த லாஸ்ட் லைன், sarveshamapi, for all these above said the virtues, sarveshamapi, what is the sarva karanam, what is the main cause for all this? Sheelam, the character, good character is the param bhushanam, the real ornament. Param bhushanam is the real ornament, decoration for this. All these virtues come to that person who is having the good character. These are all very common for that person who is having good character. Therefore our Shastra says, Kuchelinam, and Sloka says like this, Kuchelinam danta, that means, see, I will explain the meaning. If a person wearing dirty dress and never washed the mouth, have never brushed the mouth, and mahashanam, nishthura bhashanam, eating too much, nishthura bhashanam, hurting others with very harsh words, nishthura bhashanam, and suryodayena astamayena shayinam, at the time of sunrise, at the time of sunset, always sleeping. Wearing dirty dress and never brushed his teeth and is sleeping at the time of sunrise and sunset. What happens, you know? Jahati Lakshmi Mrapi Chakradharinam. Even Lakshmi will leave. If he is a Vishnu, suppose Vishnu is that person who is not doing all these things, Lakshmi will go away from even Vishnu. What to talk of ordinary person? Lakshmi is ready to leave even Vishnu. What to talk of ordinary person? That's why our people say don't sleep at the time of sunrise and sunset. That time is meant for puja, chanting you have to do, and wear neat dress, and this is the outer cleanliness brings the inner cleanliness. This is called sadachara. சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்கள் எல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் நம்ம சாஸ்திரத்தில். We are taking it as granted. And இது bread என்ன பெட் காஃபி, எனக்கு பேரே வர மாட்டேங்குது. பெட் காஃபி என்ன? பெட் காஃபி, வாட் இஸ் பெட் காஃபி? அது எல்லாம் மாடர்ன் ஹேபிட். பெட் காஃபி ஃபஸ்ட்டு பூஜை பண்ணாமலே தியானம் பண்ணாமலே ஒன்றும் எடுக்கக்கூடாது. ஸ்நானம் பண்ணாமலே அது மேலே குடிக்கக்கூடாது. த்ரூ அவுட் நைட் இஃப் யூ ஸ்லீப் இட் இஸ் லைக் எ டெத். யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக் பாத் இன் த மார்னிங். அது பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக் எனி திங். பகவானுக்கு நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணிருந்தா யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக். தட்ஸ் வை nowadays people are not having these or simple things, and the disciplines have gone. The outer these simple values, samskaras are not there. Where is the possibility of moksha? Where is Atma Jnanam? Where is this person? Idella tandi, external cleanliness, internal cleanliness, and sharpness, buddhi sukshmata, and sadachara. He has to travel very lot more distance. Therefore, this Dharma Shastra is the foundation for Moksha Shastra. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.